Hi mga ka-Lazada, this is Lierge and welcome back to Lazada Philippines YouTube channel. For today's video guys, I'm going to teach you how to do the viral Unating bridal makeup look. This is really perfect for those who are feeling in love or gusto may love because I'll teach you how to do her fresh with a twist makeup look. Of course guys, all of the products that I'm going to be using are all from Lazada. Now most of them are affordable but I had to put in some high-end but worth it products because we are talking about bridal makeup here. So we have to keep in mind the quality, longevity, and dapat wala kang flashback on your big day. Speaking of big day, Lazada is having their 99 mega brand sale. So make sure to add to cart now and check out September 9 to 11. There's up to 90% branded flash sale deals, fast and free shipping, discount vouchers, zero minimum spend, and you can stock up the vouchers para bigger discounts. May mga hidden vouchers then and a big giveaway, so watch closely. Before we start, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga new videos. Anyway, let's start. So I'm gonna show you my favorite products. So for my essence guys, this one is my favorite hydrating lotion from Hada Labo. I use like 3 drops of this one. It just makes my skin look healthy. Then next for my serum guys, this one is from Good Molecules. This is their Hyaluronic Acid. This serum guys is super thick, as you can see. Yes, that's super thick, and guys, whenever I use this one, my skin feels so plump and bouncy. And then using my bones here sa thumb, I'm doing this para lang mag-circulate kahit konti yung blood ko sa face. It's for the blood circulation. And there you go. We are done with skin prep and we are makeup ready. So Unating is known for her glowy makeup. So we're gonna use illuminator for that. This is MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Pink Light. MAC Cosmetics, meron silang flagship store sa Lazada, of course. So we're gonna put that sa highest points lang ng face, which is here, above sa cheekbones, onto sa chin, nose, and a little bit here sa forehead. And I'm just gonna blend that with my fingers. So this is MAC Strobe Cream on my face. And as you can see, I look super glowy and my skin looks healthy kasi parang mayroon siyang glow. Next, of course, is primer. You have to use primer on your big day, guys. This is E.L.F. Power Grip Primer. This one is good for someone who has normal to dry skin kasi this one is really sticky. Like it's giving clear na Elmer's glue. So, apply it on your face, you really know that your makeup will really stick. And finally guys, sa foundation na tayo. With foundation guys, I only trust NARS products. I have here 2 shades and 2 different foundations. I'm super tan right now and I have to mix this both para makuha yung perfect shade match ko. So this one is my old foundation. This is light reflecting foundation in the shade Punjab. And this is my NARS Sheer Glow Foundation in the shade Wahin. This one is my darkest foundation. So when I mix them both, I will get my perfect shade. I get 1 pump each. And then using a concealer brush, I'm just gonna mix them both. And then, let's apply it. Then using this Real Techniques foundation brush, also from Lazada, let's just buff out the foundation. I'm gonna use a brush for all my bases to maximize the coverage. There you go, we are done with the foundation. Let's now proceed to concealer. And then for concealer, of course, I'm gonna use Get Ready With Me Radiance Stand. Using a concealer brush, I'm also gonna apply that here. And here, also here. Chin, just to highlight it a little bit. Cupid's bow. I look super weird but I will let this sit at least a minute para mas maximize yung coverage niya. So it's been a minute, so let's blend that with the same foundation brush. Again, tap motions para maganda lang yung pagka-layer ng makeup. So now that I look like a flat canvas na, let's bronze our face to bring back the color. For my bronzer guys, I'm going to use this one from Easy & Co. This is in the shade Blaze, yung darkest one, because the other 3 shades don't show up on my skin tone anymore. I'm just gonna blend it where the sun naturally hits my face. Blending that. I have to tuck away my hair because it's getting in the way. Next step is contour. Let's use this one from BLK. This is their concealer in the shade Cocoa. This contour is very strong and very cool tone, guys. So be careful when you use it. Me, I use 2 dots each lang and then 1 on my forehead. And here's a jaw. And a little tip na I learned from TikTok is when you blend your jaw contour, make sure to extend it here sa likod ng ears para continuous yung shadow niya and mas lifted yung effect ng face. Now guys, for the exciting part, of course, this is a Paul Unating bridal makeup look. So if you have to use her blush. So this is the Beauty by Paul Unating in the shade Beauty. I'm gonna using a brush, I'm gonna pick it up and I'm gonna put it here sa apples ng cheeks. This one is the Powder Rush from Get Ready With Me in the shade Nutmeg. Okay. And also a little tip, guys, if you want your makeup to really last long, you focus on layering your cream products and then after that, you set them with powder. This powder bronzer is from Barry M. This is their Heatwave in the shade Island. I'm just tapping that on the areas where I applied my cream bronzer. Now let's proceed on bringing back the shadows of the face. I'm gonna use this one from Etude House. This is a very cool toned powder. Now that we're all done with the powders, I look super powdery now. Let's use a face mist. This is from Gloss Flame. This is their TLC spray. This one smells so good, guys. It smells like coconuts. Just spray it all over your face. And then while waiting for the rest of it to dry, I'm just gonna clean my eyebrows para lang matanggal yung excess foundation. For my eyebrows, guys, I'm gonna use this fine microbrow pencil from Choo Choo Beauty. This one is in the shade Gray Brown. And then to define my brows more, I'm gonna use this Strokes Microblade Pen. This is in the shade Graphite and I'm gonna use it to hair-like strokes. For the eyes, guys, I'm gonna use this Quad palette from BLK. I think I'm gonna use the Clay palette kasi more on warm siya and yung mga eyes ng clients ni Paul Unating is more on warm as well. This is simple eye makeup look lang. Other side. Then using the darkest shade of the Clay Eye palette, this one is called Brown. I'm gonna use that as a soft wing liner. I'm also gonna use this brush which is super thin, perfect for wing liners. And this part of my eye, the inner part, is looking bare. So I'm gonna use a gel liner. This is Maybelline Tattoo Crayon Pen in the shade Brown. Then I'm just gonna apply that here on the inner corner. Next up will be the lashes or mascara. For my mascara, guys, this is the Heroin Make Long and Curl Mascara. Meron siyang special remover, like galing from Heroin Make as well. Of course, with lashes, it always have extra bands, so you have to cut that off. For the glue, of course, I'm gonna use my favorite Lash glue. This is in clear. Super strong hold ng glue na to, as in. While waiting for my lashes to dry, let's apply the glitters. This is my favorite glitters. To be safe, I'm gonna apply it here on my hand. I'm gonna use my ring finger because this is kind of strong. Then apply it on my lid. Then I'm also gonna use the brush tip. I'm gonna put that here on the inner lash line. There, my lashes are almost dry. For my applicator, I'm using this one from Lash. Oh my god, guys, we're almost done. Let's now proceed to lips. To line my lips, guys, I'm gonna use this lip liner from Vice Cosmetics. This is in the shade Kizz It. And then for our base, I'm gonna use this clay pen from Detail Cosmetics. This is in the shade Playdate. Now for the inner lip, let's apply Natural OBMP Matte Stain. This is in the shade Calon. And we're just gonna apply it here on the inner. This lippy looks a little bit pale, so let's add this pinkier shade. This is called Dewata. Then I'm just gonna add some gloss. This is called Get Gloss from Natural in the shade Honoria. The last few finishing touches. For my highlighter, I'm gonna use Lovely Cosmetics Loose Highlighter. This is in the shade Beam. And then put it on the highest today. And then for the finishing touch, of course, we have to use setting spray. I have here two. First, for the affordable version, this is from So Natural. All Day Tight Setting Spray, yung pink one. This one is good, but if you have budget, this is from Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Setting Spray. So first, you have to shake it. Make sure na all parts of your face were covered. And then wait for it to dry and do its magic. And this is the final look, guys. If you haven't seen a Morena girl did a Paul Unating bridal makeup look, well, this is it. So, may mga nakuha ba ng mga hidden vouchers? If not, don't worry because you can still win 10,000 worth of Lazada vouchers. Just follow these steps. Number 1 is like this video. 2, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Number 3, comment below what other makeup looks we should do next. And lastly, share this video on your social media accounts. Tag us at LazadaPH and use the hashtag #LazadaBridalMakeup. That's it. The winner will be announced in our YouTube community page and on Lazada Philippines social media platforms. I hope you liked our Paul Unating bridal makeup look. I'm sure you will feel youthful and fresh pag ito ginawa niyong look. Again, all of the product and makeup tool links are all in the description box below. Check them out this Lazada 99 Mega Brand Sale from September 9 to 11 so you can enjoy up to 90% off on branded flash sale deals, fast and free shipping discount vouchers, zero minimum spend, and stackable vouchers for bigger discounts. Thank you for watching mga ka-Lazada. See you again in the next video. Add ganda to life and click the Lazada icon for more makeup tips.